All right. Good morning. Good morning. Should be good. I didn't forget about my microphone today, so that's important. We had a perfect pullback on the 8:30 report. I think that's a CPI report. Right to the pivot, and now we're bouncing back up. Look at this strong level here at 12,721. It's great. All right, so the chop zone, we're back in. We had left it earlier at about 4 or 5 a.m. We also left it at 7:40. We're going to see if we can get above this 12,775.
Order submitted.
And then we'll target 12,795. Welcome. Please, as you come in, just give a thumbs up. That's the only thing I ask for this free stream. If I don't get as much participation as I used to, I'll probably just start doing these privately for my group, for my paying members, and not the entire public. So, all right, let me get live on TikTok. All right. And then let me shut this door. Oh, this purple actually doesn't really look good on my cell phone. I'll just have to put it back to transparent. But anyway, welcome. It is Monday, September 12th. I hope you guys had a good weekend. I hope you stayed safe. Oh, what about the dark blue? Oh, the dark blue actually looks okay, so maybe we'll do that. All right, so the chop zone, is it big today? What is it? 750? Yeah, so about 100 points. That's too crazy. Thanks for the likes, guys. I appreciate it. Because, again, I do this for free, for fun, to kind of show new people, hey DJ, to show people what futures are all about, kind of the potential you can make if you trade futures, and how futures, in my mind, is better than options and stocks. So thank you for joining. Let me know if you have any questions. This is a 20-minute chart on the NASDAQ. NQ stands for the NASDAQ. I trade futures. I don't trade forex. I don't trade options. I don't trade stocks, and I don't trade crypto. So if anybody tries to DM you talking about crypto or forex, you can automatically flag it as a scam and just block and report them, because I've had a lot of people doing that lately. Yes, Larry. Hey, Scott. Welcome. So we're in the chop zone, but we're moving up nicely. We've already broken out of it twice today. It's 9:21, so the market's going to open soon. We have a lot of strong uptrend motion in this market since the past week or so. So I would expect that we would move up and out of the chop zone, which is at 12,738. Again, I noted that my ultimate target is going to be here, 12,795. So we'll see if we get there. The high overnight was 73, so it's an extra 20 points above that. We gapped up last night. So this is a gap. I was talking about this with one of my students the other day. This is a gap where you have quite literally a gap in price from where we closed on Friday to where we opened on Sunday. But then it pulled back and it filled the gap. So we're good there. So we don't have to worry about the gap. And now we're holding this level pretty well. 12,721. If you guys have any questions, let me know. If you are new here, I go live every day from about 9:20 to 10:30. I have a student session today at 11, and then I have another one at 4. So a little bit of a busy day today. But yeah, it should be fun. Oh, I have to go talk to somebody about a root canal tomorrow. I'm not excited. But I think it's just a conversation, so I don't think she's going to actually like drill my tooth tomorrow. No, because I don't do stocks. So Finjo or whoever, you are new here, I don't do stocks. You can't have the bot trading Tesla 23/7 because number one, Tesla's not open 23 hours a day, 7 days a week. Guys, come on. You got to know your markets. The only market that's even open 7 days a week is crypto. I don't trade crypto. Stocks are only open 5 days a week for 8 hours a day. Futures are open 5 days a week, 23 hours a day. Jesus. Like some of these questions I get, I think some of y'all really smoked too much in high school. I'm not sure. Hey, Michael. Hey, Emmett. Welcome. But yes, but the basis of your question is correct. You could choose any product and use it on the algorithm. You don't have to use NASDAQ just because I like NASDAQ better than anything else. You know what I'm saying? And we kind of talked about that last week with somebody that had said that RTY was their favorite. And that's cool. Like, if you want to trade RTY, go for it. I have just found that oil and NQ are better than ES, and currently gold. I feel like gold has been in a rut. It was so good in 2020, but I feel like ever since then it's just kind of been like, especially this year, it's just been crap. So, but yes, the basis of your question is correct. You could use it on whatever you want, and you can use it on stocks. You have to have a TD Ameritrade account, and then you link it. But yes, you can use it on stocks. I used to. It just takes so much time and effort to find something quote unquote new. Like, I'm so used to NQ and how NQ moves and what it normally does and blah, blah, blah. But like when you're like, okay, well, I'm going to look at Etsy and then I'm going to look at Neo and then I'm going to look at, GameStop. They're so different from each other. And then you have to really edit all of the settings to kind of fit in that box, if that makes sense. Yep, so you could sign up for the algorithm and then just link your TD Ameritrade account through NinjaTrader. Like, I have mine here too. Let me see if I can show you guys. So let me pull this down. So if you go to connections, oh, no. If you go to connections, I think it's you right here, my TD Ameritrade. So if I connect that, then I could trade stocks. This is the NASDAQ, yes, asks Slime. The market opens in 4 minutes. Yep, so again, Hema, you get the first month 50% off. So that's the entire reason I do that. So people can, number one, get an idea of how the algo works. They're not putting too much money into it, whatever. You already have the account with TD Ameritrade. And then if it doesn't work for you after the first 21 days, then that's fine. Then there's no hard feelings. You cancel and you never get charged again. But you can get a good idea within 21 days or 3 weeks if you feel like you're going to make enough with whatever strategy you're running because you're thinking about doing stocks. And if that's going to work for your, kind of like what you're looking for. What do you mean, where are the futures at? Alex Ajax? This is a future contract right here. This is the NASDAQ. I have range on. So range is 5 for 5 on the month of September. $2,500. How much it cost and you help set up. So yes, I help set up. I have step-by-step videos. It costs $500 for the first month. That's kind of what I was just talking about today. And then every month after that is $1,000. No, DJ, I do not. Not at all. It does not work on TradingView. This only works on NinjaTrader. Exclusively, I'm a vendor with NinjaTrader. It only works on NinjaTrader. I have a few setups that I was testing overnight. They're up about $500. One on YM. Most people, they're a minimum account. It's so anywhere from 2,000 to 5,000 is what most people start with. Yes, it is ran on a PC that you have to leave on all day. Or you can do a VPS, which is a virtual private server. That costs about $50 extra a month. And I talk about that. If you email me here at boldbotllc@gmail.com, I will send you an informational email. The VPS, everything you need to get set up and what it costs is in that email to break it all down for you. But yes, so you would have to either have a computer that you leave on all day. It can't go to sleep, like you can't have a laptop going to sleep, or you can use the VPS and then you can close it out. I don't know what AWS is. Oh, is that like a type of internet or something? I literally have no idea. This action is so sideways. It looks like this candle hasn't even moved since we started the stream. Like, look at this. Look at how sideways this is.
Order submitted.
I don't know what that means.
Order canceled.
Regardless if you have a VPS or not, the only thing you have to do every single day is turn on the algorithm.
Order submitted.
You push one button. The button right here, enable. That's all you do every day. And that's it.
Order canceled.
I'm going to turn this down because it's taking... I'll show you guys some of these trades because I know you like to watch
Order
them.
submitted.
But that's YM. The one I'm testing is
Order
YM.
submitted.
That keeps going off. Let me just turn it down a little bit. All right, cool. All right, so the market's open again. I really like holding this level 721. Oh, we're going out over the chop zone here. This is exactly what we talked about before the market opened. See if we can target. First level is 754, then the high of last night, which is 773, and then the target is 795. Trenton, did you find what you were looking for? Are you on the stream?
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Nope, that's very different, Hema. Yep, you can use a funded account to, I have several people in the group that use funded accounts to get where you are trying to go. So this scalper was in a short there. Now it's in a long. But yes, you can use a funded program, and they typically, then you don't have to pay for the NinjaTrader licensing part. They give it to you like included or whatever. A lot of people use Lilu and UProfit. I'm not sure of all of them. This is the NASDAQ on the futures market. I've moved to December. Some people are still on September, which is fine. But I was moved to December on Friday. If you guys appreciate the stream, please tap the screen or give a thumbs up. All right, so you can see my stop loss just moved from in the red to in the green. So now it's a guaranteed green trade here. This trade is $300 at the moment. 310. So I can always take this and move it up more if I want, like this. This is that level I just said we were going to go to, which is the first stop, 753. The next stop is 775. So it's green, $400, and this is one contract. So this one contract cost me $1,000 to take it. So I have to have $1,000 in my account to take this trade, if that makes sense. All right, it's pulling back to that level. It's 53. See if we can hold it. I have my stop. This stop here at 49. There it goes. It pulled right back down. Almost hit my stop, but it didn't. Now I'm going to move that up to 52. Again, you don't have to do this. It will automatically take itself out anyway when it comes back to this thicker line. But yeah. But I'm just sitting here anyway, so I might as well. My foot's asleep. I need to stop sitting on it.
Order submitted.
I don't know where you're getting 1335 from. This trade itself is green 460, but it hasn't closed out yet, so you don't know what you're going to actually make. I'm not sure. This is the NASDAQ. I think I answered that, Terry. No, yeah. So, and that's the thing. A lot of people, all right, so it closed out here. A lot of people talk about the $1,000. You're not up $1,000. It's literally just the cost to take the trade. If you wanted to trade Tesla today, you have to, at least have $300 or whatever it is to take one share. That's exactly how futures are. You have to have the cost of the product. Nice, Danny. All right, Danny, now put yourself in timeout for 3 minutes.
Order submitted.
Guys, this is the chop zone. This is my proprietary zone that I give my group every single day. All you had to do was take the long out of the zone at 38. Danny did it. The next level was 53. That's 15 points. That's $300 right there on one contract. He had 2 contracts at $600. We're in another long here on the scalper. Yep, Amen. You would have to, you don't buy the bot, you lease it. If you want more information, you can just email me here, boldbotllc@gmail.com. We're in a short now on the scalper. It's green, $110. Also, my email and all of my other links are in my bio. Yes, you need NinjaTrader regardless to use the algorithm. Even if you're using, like you want to trade stocks, like Hema's talking about, with TD Ameritrade, you are still using the NinjaTrader platform. So yes, everyone has to have NinjaTrader. And it's not my role, it's just what it is. And again, you can use a prop firm, you can use, an account at TD Ameritrade if you want to do stocks, or you can, if you're in the US, you would just use a futures account with NinjaTrader. Where did we pull back to? Back to the zone. Back to the zone. Yeah, it works with forex because forex is very similar.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
No, Mark, I'm gonna need you to hop off their balls. It's not that serious. Actually, somebody did just post some results, but it's Coastal. It's not the boys that you're obsessed with. Amen. I don't know what that means. The scalper is one of my bots.
Order submitted.
Yes. Coastal he took the breakout and he made $13,000. Guys, you have to be more clear with your questions because some of the questions are super confusing. And I'm trying to answer all of them. Good job, Coastal. Coastal made $13,500 just using my chop zone and all the stuff that I taught him. He goes heavy. Goes heavy, heavy. All right, so the scalpers in this short now, $170.
Order canceled.
I have people messaging me over here. Guys, if you're not on December yet, it's okay. Like, I don't really know why I posted on Friday if people aren't going to actually read it and understand what I'm saying. It's okay if you haven't been moved to the December contract yet. Yes, I'm exclusively trading futures. You can email me to learn more about it. You can also go to my YouTube and watch all of my past live streams. I record every single day on YouTube. Like what I'm doing right now is also being recorded on YouTube.
Order filled.
You can go to my YouTube and watch really old stuff.
Order submitted.
One day you should monitor the traders already in... I don't even know what that means. And no, I'm not sure. What do you mean monitor him? I taught him what to do. He's literally taking huge sizing. It's not rocket science. He took the trade out of the chop zone. That's all he did. That's all he did. He even literally said it right here. Quick and easy long on the breakout. And let's talk about when Andy the other day, when he said, like, guys, it's not that hard. He was flying to Miami the other day and he made a whole bunch. I want to show you Andy's message. Look, thanks for the NQ zones, Lauren. Done in 4 minutes. Can't get any easier. I'm not sure. Monitor what that even means. Like monitor them. No, thank you. They do enough for me by posting. Exactly. The volume in the September contract and the December contract are going to be very similar. I don't even think Tradeovate has moved yet. Like, let's just chill on that. Let's just chill. Tradeovate still hasn't even moved. It's not that big of a deal. You lost the trade? What are you talking about? What trade? I don't even... What? We're still in this trade. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Oh my god. I'm going to get off live today because people are just getting on my nerves.
Order submitted.
The price got really high. Where is your stop
Order
loss?
canceled.
No idea what you're talking about. My stop loss is right here. It's this purple line. If you can't see it, then... Yes, we were short right here, and it closed itself out right here for a win.
Submitted.
I don't know what you're talking about. And now we're in this long. That's green 400 and whatever dollars. Like I just said, if it comes down and it hits the thicker bar, it will take me out regardless. I have about like 7 bots. I have a bunch. This algo right here is green $1,000 on the day. Yeah, no worries. If you look right here, it will tell you what position I'm in. Green means long, red means short, and it's always going to be one position. So this is one contract.
Order submitted.
And my stop loss is this purple line. And I don't have to move it, because regardless, even if I kept this all the way down here, or if I kept it in the red, it doesn't actually matter, because when it touches this solid line, it will take me out of the trade. And now this is green $650. Oh, it says there's something wrong on my, can everybody on YouTube hear me okay? My OBS. Oh, it just means that I'm recording. I thought it was something was wrong. I downloaded the new OBS update today, and it looked a little different, so. All right, so this trade is green $700. So look, I can put it right under the thick one, because when it gets to the thick one, it's going to take me out anyway. Longs are gains and shorts are losses. No, that's not correct at all. I'm using a robot. Yes, all of these trades are taken with my robot. I'm too busy answering questions to take any of these trades. Like, I'm not actually thinking with my brain right now.
Order canceled.
I'm just taking a picture for Twitter. So see how it got me out? It got me out of that trade. And it just got me in a new one. And now it's in a red trade. This little box is red. That means I'm short. This is my profit or loss during the trade. How much is the bot? It's $500 for the first 21 days, and then it's $1,000 every month after. If you want more info, you can email me here, boldbotllc@gmail.com. That email is also in my bio. And you can email me, and I'll send you an informational email, which has the discounted link. So Zulifivs, you can email me right here, and I can send you the informational email, which has the discounted link. Hey, what is OBS? Oh, yeah, OBS is a recording software, or like a streaming software. Excuse me. So I'll show you. That's OBS over there. So it's just recording for YouTube.
Order canceled.
This is futures trading. I trade futures on the futures market. Also, guys, you can, Chef, you can't buy the robot. I just lease it. A lot of people actually in my group do micros, and they do fine. You Conquer. We have a conservative. Okay, well then, Salon, you don't have to use it. Thanks for your opinion. It works most places. Open broadcasting software. Oh, cool. I didn't know what it stood for. I have people in Dubai. I have people in the UK. I have people in Canada. I have people in Australia and people in New Zealand. And then I am in the US with probably 80% of my other members. Yes, it works on prop firm accounts. Correct.
Order canceled.
Subscribe. Nope, I don't have a Discord. No. The Dom of crypto, I do not buy and sell. This is a fully automated robot. It trades for me. I have about 6 different ones. The most common one that's used in my group is the range, which is
Order
this. It is 5 of 5 on the month. It's super conservative. It only takes about 1 or 2 trades per day. I have a Slack group, but the Slack group is only for people that are part of my actual service. Guys, we went to the 75. Look, we made a new high. We made a new high at 78. I hope Coastal caught more of that.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted.
All right. Yeah, it's my algorithm is 88% on the entire year.
Order canceled.
Nope, it works on forex and it works on stocks too. So there's a few ways you can start trading like this. You can take my course and learn how to actually manually trade. You can lease the algorithm, and then you just turn on the algorithm every day and don't do anything else. Yeah, so futures, there's a big difference between futures and stocks. Futures, the market is open 23 hours a day, 5 days a week, whereas the stock market is only open 8 hours a day. The futures market, you don't have to have $25,000 in your account. Like, there's no PDT, so you can trade futures like this as many times as you want with, say, like as low as $400 in your account. You're not going to be flagged by the government, blah, blah, blah. The tax implications are less on futures. 60% of what you make is taxed on a long-term gain percentage and not all short-term like options and stocks are. You can trade at night when you can't do that with stocks. I don't know. I love futures. I've been trading futures for like 7 years, and I think they're so much better than stocks and options. Yes, anyone can join the group.
Order submitted.
But it's not free, guys. It's a paid service. This is a business. My leg is falling asleep. But if you want more info, there's 3 things that essentially I offer. There's the robot, which you're watching here. If you want information about the robot, you can email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. If you want just more information about me in general, you can go to my website, boldanalysisllc.com, or my website is also in my bio on TikTok. You can read about my courses. I have a digital mentorship and a one-on-one coaching, and then I also have an alert service, which puts you in the group. It gives manual alerts, but those are alerts that you have to take in the instant that they're given if you want to. And it's from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. Monday through Friday. Those are your options. So it doesn't tell you when to buy and sell, Hamza. It literally does it all for you. 100% does it all for you. The course is on my website if you want to purchase it. And if you purchase the course, you get 1 free month in the alert room. No, but I show you literally all of the members' results, and I show you the performance within NinjaTrader. So this is for the entire year. $35,000, 87%. It's had 3 consecutive losses in a row, and it's had 29 consecutive wins. 51 losses total for the entire year. Said she's pretty smart, definitely not a scam. Yeah, I agree. Thanks, you Conquer. Fear not, we will crash tomorrow. Brace yourselves for the death pun. That's a little dark. Thanks, you Conquer. You're the best, helping people while I haven't caught up to those questions yet. No, I don't, Hamza. I don't know, Hema. I don't want really, not at all. I like my keyboard. Yes, the results have been that way the entire year. They were also really good last year. So, guys, I've been doing this for 2.5 years now on the algorithm, even more than 2.5. Well, good for you. I hate crypto. It does not run all day. It can if you want it to, but the best setups I have found... Thanks, Carter. The best setups that I have found... Now I see it makes sense. And you see it. Yes, for the entire year, Edgar. You can hit me up on Instagram and send me a message that way, or you can email me again, or you can hit me up on Twitter. So it can run all day, but I have certain times of the day that I think are best because I've found them over testing and running it live. So I give you that information when you join. There's a setting spreadsheet that you get access to when you join.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
Same thing, money. I think I'm just attracting people that don't know how to use sentences today. Why hate crypto? I'm not. No. Guys, we don't all have to like the same thing. You can love crypto and I cannot love crypto, and that's okay. Please just know how to form a proper sentence, and that will make me happy. Michael's obsessed with Coastal. Yeah, everybody has their favorites. Yeah.
Order submitted.
There are no trades yet, Iman, for the bot this morning. The bot, again, this is green 700. The scalper's green 700 so far in the day. Another one on testing trend is green 150. The YM didn't work out, the little fake YM that I set up. But the actual strategy that I'm running live, the conservative setup, is not even able to take trades yet. If you watch any of my other past streams or you join my lives, you'll know that it doesn't start until later in the day. Look at the short her bot took. It's working exactly the way it should. Right timing. I don't know. Most of these shorts have been losses, so I don't know. Short loss, short loss. And this is why I'm testing this one, to try to get it better. Short loss. Like, none of these shorts are really working out. This short had a nice little dip, but then it was break even. This short's red right now. So, thanks for being nice, Conquer, but I don't know. The overall trend here is long, so honestly, well, actually, we're right up against 73, so possibly, but in this instance, we're above the chop zone. We're already above the central pivot, the LIS. I'm definitely more favorable to the long side and not the short side. You mean on Thursday, Carter? On Thursday, I have that super scalper. That's something different. This is, see, so that short just took another loss. And then I didn't get in the long because of it. So this is why I test things and I see kind of when they work and when they don't work, specifically times of the day, or if we're over the chop zone, should I be turning shorts off? Things like that. So you could turn off shorts and only have longs today because clearly, like I said, we've been moving up. We gapped up last night. We've been moving up since last Wednesday. The market's been in a really strong move up. So here we already made a new high for the day, but my target is 795. So we'll see if we get there. It's only 12 points away. If you were on the stream since 9:15, that is what I mentioned as my ultimate target. You could go back and watch it on the recorded YouTube live session if you want to track me. But yeah, said we were in the chop zone. We were literally right here when I went live. We were holding this level. And I predicted that we would move up. Maybe we're going to make a new high first, which is what I noted, and we did. And then after the new high, we could go for that ultimate target. This is a 20-minute. It says it right here. Yes, I totally agree. Because sometimes you'll pull data and it will be like, oh, this looks like the best setup ever. And then you'll go live. And I've done this. Like, I've done this several times. And then I lose so much money because the back testing isn't as accurate as forward testing. Forward testing is the most accurate thing you can do. So when you want to find like a new setup and stuff. So I usually give myself 2 weeks to forward test. If I find something with good back testing results, I'll forward test it for 2 weeks. And then after that, I'll start trading it live with small sizing, and then I'll move up from there. But yeah, if you're on the September contract and you want to be on the December contract because you just want to be able to properly put the chop zone, guys, we're about to hit my ultimate target. Then you could just go to the top here. You literally just go to the top of the chart right here. You can click within this box. See how it's blue? You can click here and delete 9 and put 12. Oh, there we go. Ooh, we went right through the ultimate target to this next level. This is 12,801. Booyah. Yes, you conquer. Absolutely. Absolutely. Well, I'm still, and like, that's the whole thing. I don't like to rest on my laurels or whatever you would call it. But I'm always testing something new just to keep things fresh. And when's the best time to roll over the contract? So most brokers will make you roll over really soon. Like some of us were rolled over last week. Some it might be this week. Guys, and look at this long that I missed because of that short. So do you see what I'm saying? If I had shorts turned off, I would have just taken this long and we would, be killing it here. It hasn't touched that second line. And that's why testing is so important. Thanks, Carter. You're so sweet. But yeah, I'm a huge advocate for testing, especially forward testing. Even though it's in simulation, so you're going to have a little bit of a difference once you go live because of the exchange. But overall, it's really, really accurate. Much more accurate than just back testing. Do I show you what? My testing? What do you mean? This is my testing right here. This one's being tested. This one's being tested. I have 2 being tested right now. And then this is live stuff. So this is the chart that I just look at every day. And I talk to you guys about it. And then this is a chart that actually takes live trades. But that won't happen until later. And I'm not on later. So that seems to be a thing that comes up in conversation a lot. I'm sorry. I just don't like to sit at my desk all day. I like to leave the house. Oh, yeah. If you sign up Oh, live trades like manual trades? I'm still kind of confused. So I give manual alerts in my group. I'll show you. Right here. So we went long at 9:30 NQ. We went long ES at 9:24. But these are given if you're part of the algo or not. If you're just in the alert room, obviously you're given those alerts. If you're part of the algo service, you're given the alerts as well. But if you want to learn, like if you sign up for the algorithm, yes, I show you step by step how to get it set up and how to use it. No auto trades in manual. Real live trades in section with a paid membership. Yes, that's called my digital mentorship. You Conquer. That's my course. So if you want to learn, you want me to physically teach you how to trade, you would take my mentorship or my one-on-one coaching. The one-on-one coaching is live. That's 5 sessions for $2,500. Or the digital mentorship is the same material, but it's not live. It's recorded videos that you can watch as many times as you want. And that is $1,000 one time. So I think that's what you're asking for. Paper chaser, look at you. How's the family? Have you been, bud? Girl, it's just going up. Yes, I'm aware. What's the problem? So y'all should be making a whole bunch of freaking money off of this because I told you to go long from 12,737. You're now up almost 100 points. This is from my chop zone to where we are now is almost $2,000 on one contract. And again, that one contract costs $1,000. This is the NASDAQ. Do you know how the NASDAQ works? It can go up like 400 points in one day. It could also go down 400 points in one day. It's a big mover. It has all of the tech stocks in it. It has 100 really popular stocks, especially Tesla. Speaking of, what's Tesla doing today? Are we back to like 315? I would love that. Zuby. Okay, I'm glad that helps you conquer. If you guys appreciate the stream and the information and the heads up to take the long out of the chop zone, please tap the screen. It sends me hearts, which shows that I'm doing something that you like. The algorithm or the bot. What are the... I'm getting so many new people. No. Wait. Carl, get out of here. Is that Carl from my group? It is. Brian, I'm going to punch you. I was about to answer your question too. Stop. That's just like Bill. Bill does that all the time. He'll come in here and he'll be like, let's even need love crypto. What's going on? So the algorithm is $500 for the first 21 days. That's like a trial price period. And then it is $1,000 every month after. Most people start with $2,000 in their account, $2,000 to $5,000. If you want to trade minis, then you have to have at least $10,000 in your account. But most people in my group trade micros. Oh no, I entered the loser zone. How embarrassing for you. What? Okay, I don't really know what that means. I think some people just sit at home and literally have nothing better to do than to than to like spam other people. I had to go and actually search your name in the group because I was like, I swear that's Carl. That was funny. Oh, it's all over the place, isn't it? I'm telling you, you have to have so much patience for this stuff. But it's good. Like, it's good to get new people in that are interested in futures that might not even have known what they were. I use my setup. I have multiple different robots that I use. So, yes, thank you, you Conquer. It's 87% on the entire year. Last month, I can show you the month of August because I had posted that for the group. This was my performance for the month of August. $10,000, 86 trades. My drawdown was like 6,000. And again, I increased my sizing a few of these days to 4 minis instead of 2 minis. But it was still 86% on the month of August, so pretty good. I'm definitely one of those new people, LOL. But you're doing a great job. If you had set it up properly on Thursday, you would be 2 for 2, but you're just 1 for 1, and that's okay. See, like in a situation like this where I'm not really fond of the short, well, it took me out anyway, but I could have moved down when it was green like $100. I could have moved the stop loss into this area for, say, like $50. I'm not sure what I did today to get, like, the people that I did. Yeah. Well, I don't have a level up here. I don't have a level until 870. It went to 25. I'm not expecting like a huge move down, like maybe back to this 95 or 800. We're at 807 right now. I'm not seeing it drop below that 795. Obviously, I could be wrong, but yeah. It's 10:05. Let's see what happens in the next little bit. Maybe this will actually get back in a long. Oh, I see it. Brian, I see it. 12,823. Damn, that's so pretty. Hey, Chad, how are you? Well, then this scalper though, it will like retake trades all the time. Close out the trade and took profits below 12,810. That's a winning trade. Good. I'm not sure. What is this? What? What? I made my tea earlier, so now it's like cold. I don't like cold tea. I just connected my TD Ameritrade account, so now it will let me pull up stocks so I can see. See what price Tesla's at, since nobody told me this entire time. Oh, 305, baby. I like it. I like it. I want some more. 305.30. All right, cool. This is still green on the day, even with all of these crappy shorts that didn't work out. And missing this huge long. Like, this was a big miss. It's still green on the day, but not, like, only $300. So I'm saying, if we're above the chop zone, cut out the shorts. If we're below the chop zone, cut out the longs. I might need to talk to my developer about this today. I have a question. Do we just feel like really hungry? I don't know why. Yeah, that's a huge log of my speed. You need to work on that. I'm not worried about it. I drink green tea every day. Yeah, well, you didn't tell me until I already opened it up, you conker. $2,000. No, you conquer. He's asking about deposit into his account. You have to deposit at least $2,000. Like NinjaTrader will say you only have to deposit $400, but to use the algorithm, guys, look at this. Brian, who was right. Back to my level of 801. Brian. Guys. It's not that hard. I think people overthink trading all the time. And they want profits so badly, so fast, that they just take a gazillion trades all the time. But look at this. Look at this perfectly pullback. Perfect. To my level at 801.75. Even if you were being super conservative today, you could have just taken the breakout over 75. Is this 75 or 73? 73. When it made a new high. 74 when it made a new high. It only went up to 78 and then it pulled back. I think it pulled back to like here. And then it shot up. Thanks for the hearts. Appreciate it. Probably going to wrap it up soon. It's kind of quiet now. All of the people with the silly questions left me over here. You're getting Chick-fil-A right now. What? Jiren, what are you getting? It's not fair. Even though I'm not a breakfast person, so I don't really care. Like, people say they love Chick-fil-A breakfast or McDonald's breakfast. That's like the only thing I don't do is I don't get fast food breakfast. Now, I'll get like a bacon, egg, and cheese sometimes from a bagel shop. But
Order canceled.
But that's it. See? See why I need to get rid of these shorts? I need to just turn the shorts off. But that's fine, because it's testing, and this is exactly why we do testing. You find what works and what doesn't work, and then you edit it, and then you test another 2 weeks. I'm not singing a song. Oh, Tesla made a new high at 305.50. I'm going to disconnect this before I forget. Alright, y'all. I don't know why I'm yawning. Get me out of here. It sure is trying. It's trying. Ooh, look at those wicks. That's wild. I'm back on the singing a song thing. Well, then you guys just have to request to go live with me, and then I'll let you be live, and you can sing a song. How about that? Unless it's really bad, then people start leaving. We do appreciate what you're showing us. Yes, I would hope so. Literally, I'm only doing this for y'all. There is nothing, well, obviously in like for the business sense, but I'm saying there's nothing, like going live is definitely to help other people kind of see the product, see what's happening, see if they like it or don't like it, whatever. I have these wires hanging down, and I kind of want to put them back, but I want to make sure it doesn't turn everything off. Options are much more crazy than futures, and that's the part that people don't understand. Options are so much more like volatile or risky than futures are. You literally trade 1 micro of the ES and you make $100 and you're done. Or you trade 1 micro of the ES and you lose $50 and you're done. Like, that's what it looks like in futures. Again, this, yeah, especially weeklies. And people trade weeklies like they're going out of style. This is my setup that is 88% on the year. It only takes 1 trade a day. You conquer. It takes 1 trade a day. Some maximum 2. But typically, just 1. Look at this. 1 trade. 1 trade. I think your nerves can handle 1 trade a day. But tell me if I'm wrong. Brian, we're still not below 801. Call me when we're below 95, Brian. Julio, thanks for the rose. I don't know what FVG is, but I like hearing long ES. I like it. Brian doesn't like it. Ah, that's a new term. Thank you. Remy.
Order submitted.
But you're an option trader. Why are you trading ES? Do you trade ES options? No, you conquer. You're not gonna find. Well, I guess you would find stuff on my website about futures, but it's easiest to just go to YouTube and watch my video that's literally entitled "What Are Futures?" It's a 30-minute video, and it's everything you need. If you just go to my YouTube, right here, bold bot, 2 words, bold bot. Oopsies. Holy hell. And then you go to videos. You have to scroll down a bunch because it's from 2 years ago. Zoom, 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 zoom. Where are we at? Where are we at? Oh, here we go. What are futures?
Galileo FX is trusted by more than 2,000 users worldwide to trade automatically.
This is a
And it's understandable. A lot of people don't even know that futures trading exists.
What are futures? Go watch this. Because bold... Actually, so it's kind of a funny story, but it has to do with my name. And then it worked really well with just being bold. Like, I think people don't get anywhere, obviously, if you don't take risks and if you're not, willing to lose, essentially. Because if you're not comfortable losing, you shouldn't be a trader. You shouldn't trade at all. Oh, Brian, what happened? Brian, we're still holding 801. Oh, cool. Cool. For a while. Yes, I totally agree. I would just say that this entire week is bullish. Like, I feel like you don't even have to look at it anymore. Obviously, you're going to come upon resistance, but that doesn't mean that... let's just look at the daily really quickly, guys. Let's just break it down. We've literally been beasting since last Wednesday. Oh, shoot. Hold on, let me turn off these plots. 1 second. Y'all. This is the daily chart. 1, 2, 3, 4 green days in a row. Wait, is one of these today? So yeah, the last 3. So this is today. So this was Friday, Thursday, Wednesday. Since the middle of last week. And Monday was a holiday. This little candle was a holiday. This was Tuesday. I was surprised. We pulled back. But then ever since then, we've just been running. Agreed. Agreed, Brian. You have to be, Andy, you have to be bold. You have to be willing to take risk. You can't be afraid of losses. You can't cry in the corner like a little toddler. You just have to wipe your chin and go to the next trade. But yeah, that's why. Hope that was a great story. Weird. Alright guys, it's 10:18. I'm going to wrap it up. Range, if it takes a trade today, as always, yes. If you get the bot, I have step-by-step videos. I teach you how to get it all set up, 100%. I would never just leave you in the dust like that. Look, this is it right here. See, when you join, these are all, this is the welcome message I send you with all the links. But yeah, I am very hands-on. I'm a very like white glove service kind of person. Oh, we broke that 1 hour resistance that Brian was talking about at 23. Y'all, we just shot up to 35. Sounds good. I'll be here on the other side. Thanks for joining, guys. Have a great day. I will post, what's the name of that YouTube? It's literally called What Are Futures Contracts, but you can't search it. You conquer. You cannot search it. You have to literally scroll down on my page because I've searched for it before and it doesn't come up. So just go to Bold Bot on YouTube, subscribe, and then scroll down all of my videos. And it's like 2 years ago. And it has like a black starry picture. And it says, what are futures on the picture. Huge move here, guys. We're now up to 40s. Bye, Carter. Sounds good. Bye, Mark. He's going to... Well, Jiren, he'll see you there, right? No, you don't need to adjust day by day. All you do every day is just turn on this button, like enable, disable. Like I could do it with range because it's not starting yet. So literally every day it will look like this and you just go bloop and that's it. That's all you do is turn on the one strategy each day. Alright guys, I will post on my stories on Instagram and TikTok. And I always post within Twitter, so please make sure you follow me so you can stay abreast to what's going on. And you can be in the know. So, and if you have questions, you can always reach out to me. The email is the easiest, but also on Instagram or Twitter is fine. You can't DM through TikTok, so please don't even try because it's just too difficult. So, all right, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow's Tuesday. I'll see you tomorrow at around 9:20 in the morning. Okay, bye. All right, y'all on YouTube, I'll see you tomorrow. I go live every day from about 9:15 to 10:30. You have to have balls bot. Michael, that's a good one. Thanks for the rose, Emmett. You just got to jump over on TikTok and actually send them. They mean something different there. All right, guys, have a good day. I'll post on the social medias throughout the day when I'm not in some student sessions, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.